Welcome to the Animal Channel. Let's learn 24 interesting facts about penguins. Number 1, they are a special family of birds that are aquatic since they spend most of their time in water other than on land. 2, they are warm-blooded, covered in feathers and lay eggs just like other birds. Number 3 is that penguins do not have wings, thus cannot fly like other birds. Number 4, they have flippers instead of wings that make them excellent swimmers. Five, penguins live in very cold places on the planet, exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Number 6, there are around 17 different species of penguins, each with different colors, sizes, and patterns of feathers. 7, the emperor penguin is the largest in the species. It weighs about 60 to 90 lbs, which is around 27.21 to 48.82 kgs, and grows to 36 to 44 inches, which is about 91.44 to 111.76 centimeters tall. Number 8, emperor penguins have 4 layers of overlapping feathers that provide protection from wind and thick layers of fat that trap heat in the body, hence keeping them warm. And number 9 is that the emperor penguin can run on an estimate of 6 to 9 kilometers per hour. Number 10, the Galapagos penguin is the only penguin species that ventures north of the equator in the world. The Gentoo penguins are the fastest of all penguin species. They can swim at speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour. How interesting, huh? Number 12, who knew that penguins are carnivores? They feed on small fish, crabs, krill, squid, and other seafood they catch while swimming. Number 13, their feathers are coated in a waterproof oil produced by an adaptive gland called the preen gland. 14, the average life expectancy of penguins is 15 to 20 years, with some living considerably longer. Could you imagine that? And number 15, the oldest penguin fossils are 62 million years. How interesting is that? 16, they can sleep standing on land with their beak tucked into their flipper or in the water where they constantly come out for air. Another interesting fact about penguins, number 17, is that their black and white coloring is called countershading. Did you know that? And number 18 is that penguins lay their eggs and raise their chicks on the water shores, not inside the water. Number 19, penguins have very short necks and considerably short beaks. And number 20, a group of penguin chicks forms what is called a crush. Number 21, a group of penguins on land is called a waddle, but in water it is called a raft. Wow, this is so cool. 22, other names for a group of penguins include rookery, colony, and hurdle. 23, there are 30 to 31 million penguins left on Earth, which are split across the 18 different species. And the last but not the least, number 24, the main danger to penguins is the destruction of their natural habitat, which is oceans and coasts, through pollution. Now, penguins can only be seen in some specific places in the world. Let's get to know about these places. So here are the 10 world's best places to see penguins. Number 1, Boulders Beach, Cape Town in South Africa. Number 2, Antarctica. Number 3, Galapagos Islands in Ecuador. Number 4, South Georgia and Falkland Islands. Number 5, the Banks Peninsula in New Zealand. Number 6, Otago Peninsula in New Zealand. Number 7 is the Phillip Island in Australia. Number 8, Patagonia in Argentina. Number 9, Kangaroo Island in Australia. Number 10, Zavodovsky Island, South Sandwich Islands. Thank you for watching and learning with the Animal Channel.